In this video, I will show you how to fix TikTok following problem. So let's get started. First of all, I want to mention you that you can only follow to 200 people in one day. So it is not my word, it is being said by the TikTok itself. So if you go to the search bar on the Google and search for TikTok daily, you can only follow 200 users per day. So if you are like, and also TikTok allows user to follow up to 10,000 accounts in total. So if you have reached the threshold, you cannot follow anymore. Let me just took that you haven't 200 people a day, but you are getting the same issue. Then what you can simply do, go to the TikTok and again on the profile. Alright, then go to the three dots on the right upper side and then go to the settings and privacy, and then from here scroll it down until you find the report a problem option, interaction, and then from here the follow, select the follow, and then as you can see, unable to follow a user, this is the problem. So I will tap on that, and then here are a bunch of words. You can simply read all of these and this might solve your problem. So if not, then tap on the no and tap again on the need more help. Then you can share your thoughts or like what kind of problem you are going through it. Just send the message to the support team and they will get back to you with your custom report. All right, so hope this video might help you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if this works, and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one.